Hey, guess what? It's time for an update. I've been quite busy recently, and I promise I will get back to some things, kind of like Misfortune here, who has turned into a bench of sorts. Hopefully we can get it out of here and into the new building. You heard me, new building. So let's go take a quick gander around. Well, Death Wish, still kind of as we left it. Still need to put the drive shaft in and make some mounts for the intercooler. The infamous red-headed slut needs to go inside here shortly for the winter. And then the big thing. Dun dun dun! A new shop. So yeah, we got a new shop. And with any luck, we'll be moving into that here pretty soon. Let's take a quick gander. So I got a steel building. And I already got shit in here to work on. So I got all the banding up on the ceiling. I got to put the tarps up. Hopefully next week we'll have roof on. Maybe even this weekend, who knows? We'll see how things go. Let's take a look at a couple other projects I got going on. Or upcoming, I guess. Oop, there's some rock that needs to go. So here's my 83 crew cab dually. We'll be putting brake lines on that, and maybe even swapping out the bed. I have a pretty nice rust-free bed for it. We got a glass-powered G3 here. No idea what we're going to do with it yet. But the money was right, so here it is. I bought it. Then my favorite, my 81 short wide, two-wheel drive, lowered. It's got a big block in it right now, but it may go LS. Maybe I'll put the big block in Death Wish and put the 383 in this. Yeah, we'll see. C4. It probably will have nothing done with it for quite some time. And last but not least, my 88, 89, I don't know, Suburban. I know this needs fuel lines, some rust repair. I would assume probably brake lines. We'll see. I don't know. I don't even know if I'll get to it. I don't even know if it'll go inside. But, yeah, that's kind of where we're at for right now. Just working on the new shop and trying to get things buttoned up for winter. It's the middle of November, and I still don't have half the shit in my yard cleaned up, so yeah. Son of a biscuit. Oh, just look at it. Hell yeah. 40 by 60, 14-foot wall. Well, there you have it. There's a little rundown on what's been going on here. I will try to get the building up as fast as I can so that I can start working on stuff like this. I'd much rather be doing this than building. So I appreciate your patience. Thank you for watching, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I promise I'll get a little bit better at posting more consistently. I gotta go get something done so I can get back to doing fun stuff. We'll see you later.